Hi everyone, how are you all? Hi Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna make this cute earrings which are inspired by flower lotus, and though they look big, they are very lightweight to wear for the whole day, and these are specifically for kind of haldi function or mehndi function, and they are very easy to make. So I have tried my best to show this tutorial in a very easiest way so that beginners can enjoy making these videos, and also they can enjoy fabric jewelry making, and they can start jewelry making easily. And so I hope that you will also watch these tutorials whole and try to replicate this at your home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And as I always tell you that try to make them in different colors and also different varieties and designs. As I always say that jewelry making is always the art of variation. So if you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like these in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. And yeah, do tell, let me know which of these four designs you like the most out of this. Bye bye.
So the main base is this shape. So we will take this shape and we will cover this with various fabrics. So first I have taken this yellow fabric and made the petals, and then now with the help of Favbond glue we will attach them. So I will add the glue here, and and like this will be the placement. So we will add the glue like this to these edges over here, and make sure that don't spread the glue too much, because otherwise there will be a stains of the glue. And then make sure to stick them properly. So likewise we will stick the glue for all, and we'll make the petals. So this is how it will look. So now we'll first wait for a while to get it dry, and then we'll do the further work. But we also have to add the eye pin here. So at the end over here we'll add the eye pins and we'll let them dry for a while, and then we'll start the further work. So once this is dried, I'll add the back finishing fabric in that. So before that we'll make this jhumka. So this jhumka I have attached personally, I have attached manually, not I have bought from somewhere. So I had this L'Oreal's of these different beads. I didn't had the colorful beads, so I use this trick. So you have to open this L'Oreal with the help of plier or with the mere hands, but that's too delicate, so you have to be very careful while opening this L'Oreal's. And then in this hole of the jhumka you have to attach it. So again I'll show you. So first you open the L'Oreal and take any easy one, not the hard one, because there are some which has lots of rounds and rounds. So just take the easy L'Oreal which has just one round and all, and then wrap it and do this for the whole. So likewise with this, or this jhumka will be ready. And I just forgot that we had to add two more jump rings, eye pins to the left and right of the middle one, because we have to decorate it. So I'll add them, and once they get dry I'll add the back finishing fabric also, and we'll come back to you guys. And please do me a favor guys, follow on my Instagram. I really have amazing designs on my Instagram. I'll share the link in the description below. So guys, I have added the back finishing fabric, and now you can see we have to add these L'Oreals, which are this yellow only. So I will open the eye pin and will add some 2-3 L'Oreals in that. I don't want to add so much, because we already had added a lot of L'Oreals in this. So be very gentle in the process. And we'll add these cute L'Oreals in this. These L'Oreals are really cute and look so elegant when you wear the jewelry of them. and also make sure to close this. And in the same way we'll add the jhumka and L'Oreal in the other one, so I'll quickly do them. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel and make sure to like, share and comment to this video. And do let me know what kind of jewelry you like to watch on my channel so that we can make. So now I have attached this, and now we'll make a hole in the upper side and we'll add this earring hook in this. So I'll open the this hook, and then we'll add it over here, and with the help of plier you have to bring it out. And then you can see there is only one pearl L'Oreal that I have added, and then this one bead, and then we'll add this bead, and this close it, punch it. Okay, so with this first earrings ready. Then the second one, so again we have this shape, and along with this we have these other shapes also that we will cover with the fabric of our choice. I have taken the pink color, and then we'll attach it this fabric. So I'll show you the sequence. So these bigger ones are actually inside like this, and then the smaller ones are outside. So this is how we have to attach. So we'll take this one at the upper side and the other ones like below it. So I'll add the glue, and we are gonna attach to the edges only, not so far. So I'll attach them over here like this, and then and I will attach them quickly. So make sure that so if you're a beginner in this, just keep it on the ground only, and then attach it, and then attach this one, attach one by one very like slowly, because it will take time for you to attach the shapes. So I'll quickly do for others too. So now so many festivals are gonna come, as the rainy season has arrived, and I'm gonna bring lots of jewelry which will be on ethnic, which will be suit on ethnic outfit. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do press the subscribe button. So yeah, so in this way we have to attach for all. So, and do let me know how did you found my channel, like on the search bar or on the suggestions bar or recommendations bar, and what did you like most of my channel. So now you can see we have to attach one jhumka, and also we have to attach a stud here. So for this we need eye pins to the both sides. So we'll add the eye pin in this middle section. So apply the good amount of glue, and then add these eye pins. So now once this get dried, I'll add the back finishing fabric, and we'll start with the further work. So now we have to add this golden bead chain in it to this edges. So we'll add the glue to all these edges, and we'll add this golden bead chain. So I have taken this small size golden bead chain, and we'll add this eye pin I'll add this one by one over here to this edges, and we'll cut the extra part like this. So we have to add for all. So I'll quickly do that and come back to you. If you carefully follow all the steps as mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make these earrings. And now we'll add these kundans. So I have taken these white kundans and not the usual kundan that are available. And then we'll add this, I'll add the 3 kundans over here in the mid section, and then 4 kundans to the petals. So it's up to you how much you want. If you want to add 2 are also fine, 3 are also fine, 4 are also fine, whatever you want. So I attach this, and now we just have to simply attach this jhumka. So this jhumka is vibrant, it has a lot of designs on this. So we'll open this eye pin and we'll attach this jhumka. and also make sure to close it very firmly. And then for the stud, so I have taken the kundan, and then we'll add this attach this stud, and with the help of jump ring we will add this. So make sure how is the shape of the kundan. This is D shape kundan, so and we have to wear it in the D shape only, not in any other way. And with the help of jump ring we will attach this to the eye pin, and we'll close this loop, and tada, with this earrings are ready. So this looks so amazing and so lightweight to wear, trust me. Then the next one are these big long kundans, which are perfect for, I guess, bride. So for that again we have the petals, and we'll just stick these petals the way we sticked for the first two, and this is how it will look actually. So we'll add the ample amount of glue, and then we'll add these two petals. So I have taken these two colors over here, so this yellow and green, and it's totally up to you that what do you want to add. So you can see there is a stud over here, so I'll take this stud and we'll attach this stud to the first part. So you can always refer the design that you have, and you can take this, and in the same way we'll attach the next flower, which is the big one. So I have added this in a zigzag way, like yellow red yellow, like this. And now we'll attach these beads. Okay, so for that I'm taking this. So you can add the extra glue also if you want to here. And then to add these beads we'll take a eye pin with the flat head, because we have to attach the bead in that way. These are also easily available in the market. And then you have to take any designer bead. So I have taken this bead with this flowers design in that. So you can take any, that whatever is with you, or you can take any colorful beads also, or you can take teardrop beads also. And then we'll add some pearls in this, pearl l'oreal in this. So I will add 3 to 4 l'oreals, and then we'll add the glue over here, and we'll add the glue. Make sure to add the ample amount of glue, and just place these beads on it, and make sure that all these beads will be out and this only eye pin will stay. So in the same way we'll add for all. So I'll add these 3, and now we'll add the back finishing fabric, and this is how it looks. Now we just have to simply attach. So first I'll make the hole. So I'm making it with the help of safety pin, but if you have the holes, actually you can just use them and do it. And then I'll take the eye pin. Now I'll take the eye pin with the hole, and we'll add this eye pin in this. So we'll open this eye pin and we'll insert it over here, and then we'll add 2-3 l'oreals in this, and then we'll add the golden bead. So I added golden bead because I thought if I added that oxidized bead it will be too much, like it won't suit to the design, because the bead only will become too big. And then now again we'll add the l'oreal in this, and we'll add it over here. So or also you can make a U shape first and we'll add. So make sure to add it firmly, and so that it won't fall. And with the help of plier make a U shape and just attach it very properly like this. Okay, so this is how it looks. And yeah, with this, these earrings are too ready. So they are so very easy to make, and once actually the shapes are ready, they can be made easily. Ta-da! Last but not the least, this lotus with the jhumka. So it's the same as the first one. It's just that we have to add uh, the lines with the 3D outliner. So I have made this, and then we'll take this 3D outliner, and the way you apply the mehendi or henna, you have to add the design on this. So be very careful and do it. So for the upcoming festivals, I'm gonna bring lots of designs that are perfect for our Indian festivals. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Do press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing tutorials like this, and you won't miss any. And I have shared a lots of tips and tricks in the videos to make them very easily. So if you carefully follow all the steps as mentioned in these videos, it will be very easy for you to make this type of jewelry. It looks very heavy in the picture, but they are very easy to make, and it's so fun to make this. So once this get dry, we'll do the further work. So this has dried up, and I had added the back finishing fabric also, and now we'll add the hole, and we'll add this earring hook, and then in the same way we'll attach the jhumka, guys. And with the that's it, guys. That's it. With this, or these 4 earrings are ready. Ta-da! So do let me know how was your experience while making this. So this jhumka also, the way we added this yellow laurels, in the same way we have to add this pearl laurels, because if you got the jhumka with attached laurels, it's great. Otherwise just add them. That's it. Ta-da!